That'd be really nice.
Where are you going, boy? Uh-oh. It's a bad idea, boy. You gonna go in front? No? Okay. Oh, fucking hell! Woo! Fucking hell! That close behind me, but oh well. I'm just doing. Hopefully he's not a police officer. This is undercover bikes. Alright? How you doing? Don't know who that is, but nice bike. Fuck knows who that is. That's a really nice bike. It's 21 plate as well. I'm just simping hard right now. He's going the same way that I'm going. I don't think I know him. Do I know him? I'm simping hard. Oh, he's following me either way. That's a really nice fucking bike. Well, it is an S1000, isn't it? That's really nice. Alright. Where are we going? Who the fuck is it? I must know who they are. They seem to know who the fuck I am. But he's gone. Come back! Little bitch! Who the fuck is it? I don't know who it is. Let's find out. I haven't worked out who it is yet. Who is it?
Dad!
Dad? You're lying! You're fucking lying! No fucking way!